If you are a frequent user of VLC media player, you know how powerful and versatile a tool it is. But do you know all the keyboard shortcuts that can make your VLC experience even more efficient and smoother? I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we'll be sharing you a comprehensive list of keyboard shortcuts that you might not have discovered yet. VLC has tons of shortcuts and we have divided them into several headings for your convenience. For example, we have provided VLC keyboard shortcuts for playback, VLC keyboard shortcuts for subtitles, VLC keyboard shortcuts for forwarding or backwarding videos, VLC keyboard shortcuts for cropping or recording videos, and VLC keyboard shortcuts for dealing with files. Let's start by the keyboard shortcuts for playback. Now, we'll start by spacebar. Spacebar in VLC allows you to pause or play the videos. For example, if this video is paused, I'll press spacebar and the video has resumed. Similarly, if the video is playing and you press spacebar, it will pause. Easy, right? Now, if you want to stop the video altogether, just press S. For example, if this video is running, I'll press S and the video has stopped. Now, if you want to decrease or increase the playback speed, you will have to use the brackets. Now, if you want to decrease the speed, just press the starting bracket, the bracket that you put up in front, and as you can see, the speed is decreasing. Notice the top right area. And if you want to increase the speed, just press the closing bracket, and as you can see, the speed is increasing. It's the playback speed. Now, if you want to revert back to 1x speed, which is default, for example, the speed of this video is 2.3x. If you want to revert it back to 1x, press equal to on your keyboard, and it has reverted back to 1x. Now, if you want to control the volume, you can press the control button and upward arrow. You can see the volume is increasing. To decrease the volume, press control or downward arrow and the volume is decreasing. Other way to control the volume is by your mouse. Just scroll up and you can see the volume increasing, and scroll down to decrease the volume. Now, if the sound is too loud and if you want to mute it, or you want to just watch the video without the sound, of course, just press M, and as you can see, the video is muted. For example, the current volume is 40%. If I press M, the video is now muted. You can now watch it without audio. Now, if you want to shuffle through the audio, nowadays there are videos that come with several audio files. If you want to shuffle through them, press B. Currently, here we have only one audio track, but if your video has several audio tracks, just press B and you can shuffle through them. Now, if you have a playlist on your VLC, just press N. Like we have these playlists, and just press N to play the next video. Similarly, press P to play the previous video. Now, just press F to toggle the full screen on and off. For example, this is the full screen. If I press F, I have switched off the full screen. The similar function is performed by F11 button. It's same as F. This is F. This is F11. And now you can also use mouse. Just double click on mouse to toggle the full screen on or off. Now, other way to do that is by pressing escape. This is the full screen, press escape. Now, if you want all the videos just like we do in just like we do it in MP3 playlist, if you want the playlist to run, press L, loop one time, press L again for turning off the loop, and press L again for putting the entire queue in the loop. Now let's do it again. Press L to toggle loop on or off. To If you want to put this current video on loop, you will have to use loop 1. If you want loop off, just press L again and the loop will off. If you want to queue all videos in the loop, loop all is the way to go. All these happens by pressing the keyboard shortcut key L. Remember that. If you want the random shuffling of tracks, just press R. As you can see the random option here, on or off. This will allow you to shuffle tracks. If you want to play the videos randomly, just select or just put it in on, otherwise put it in off. Now, if you want to jump to a specific time, now this keyboard shortcut is very useful. If you want to jump to a specific time in a video, press Ctrl+T, and you can see a timer of sorts has appeared on your screen. This is it. Now here, if I want to, let's say, head to 3 minutes and 50 seconds, just do it 20. 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and I press go. And as you can see, the video has now jumped to 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's do it again. Press Ctrl+T. Now if I want to switch it to, let's say, 2 minutes and 45 seconds, go. And as you can see, the video has now jumped to 2 minutes and 45 seconds. If you feel that your video is not at its best quality, you can turn interlacing on or off. To do that, press D to turn off the deinterlace, and if you turn on the deinterlace, press D again. D. First time press D and the deinterlace will turn off. Second time it will turn on. Now, if you have several audio devices connected, you can press Shift A to toggle through them. We currently have only one device attached. Now, if you want to see, usually the timer is here, the video progress is being shown at the bottom. However, if you are on full screen and want to know the remaining time and the current time that the video has run, just press T. For example, this video has run for about 1 minute and the total length of the video is 4 minutes. These are the keyboard shortcuts to learn playback on VLC. Now let's head to the subtitles. If your video has several subtitles, just press V to shuffle through them. Now we don't have subtitles as of now, but you can press the V button to shuffle through them. If your subtitles is ahead of time, press G to bring it back. If your subtitles is behind the video, press H to move it forward. Currently we have no active subtitles, but G and H are important keyboard shortcuts that you must know. Let me repeat it again. If your subtitle is ahead of time, press G. If your subtitle is behind the time, press H. Now let's head to the keyboard subtitles for forwarding and backwarding videos. Now, to forward the video by 3 seconds, press shift and right arrow. And as you can see, the video is running by 3 seconds. Similarly, if you want to reverse the video by 3 seconds, press shift and the backwards arrow. Notice the time at the top right of your screen. Similarly, if you want to forward a video by 10 seconds, press Alt and forward arrow. Notice the time 28, 219, 59. Similarly, if you want to reverse the video by 10 seconds, press Alt and the backwards arrow. It's as easy as that. Now, if you want to forward a video by a minute, press Control and similar forward button. And if you want to reverse a video by a minute, press Control and backward arrow. Let's stop the video. Now the shortcuts for forwarding and backwarding videos are done. Let's head to another heading, shortcuts for recording and cropping videos. Now press Shift and R if you want to record the video, and press Shift and R again, and the recording will be stopped. If you want to take a screenshot, for example, if I want to take a screenshot of this image, a screenshot of this part of the video, I'll press Shift and S, and as you can see, the screenshot is done. It's as easy as that. Now, if you want to crop the video from bottom, press Alt C. Sorry, it's Alt C. And you may be noticing that the video is being cropped from the bottom. Similarly, if you want to crop this video from left, press Alt D. Notice from left, the video is being cropped. Now, if you want to uncrop, if you want to uncrop the video, Shift Alt D is the way to go. Press Shift Alt and D at the same time. To crop the video from right, use Alt F. See, the video is being cropped. To uncrop the video, press Shift Alt F. This is for the right side. We have already covered from the left side, which is Alt D and Shift Alt D. Now, to crop the video from the top, press Alt R. And if you want to just uncrop it, press Alt Shift R. And if you want to uncrop the video from the bottom, press Shift Alt C. And now we have played enough with the video cropping, and we have now reverted back the video to its original form. Let's recap it. To crop the video from bottom, press Alt C. To uncrop it, press Shift Alt C. Now to crop the video from left, press Alt D. And to uncrop it, press Shift Alt D. To crop the video from right, press Alt F. To uncrop it, press Shift Alt F. To crop the video from top, press Alt R. And to uncrop it, press Shift Alt R. Now the recording and cropping heading is done. Let's head to how to handle files on VLC via shortcuts. Press Ctrl O to open the file directly. It will be heading the folder that will open will depend on your computer. For example, in our computer, the downloads folder is now open. Now here you can select the file that you want to play on your VLC. If you press Ctrl Shift O, and now this shortcut is for opening multiple files. That shortcut, Control and O shortcut, was to open a single file. To open multiple files, press Ctrl Shift O, then press Add, and then you can add files. To add multiple files, first press Ctrl button on your keyboard, then select Files, and then select the Open button. Now we have seen how to open one file and how to open multiple files. Let's move forward. Press Ctrl F to open the last folder. Press Ctrl D to open the disk selection. This is usually favorable when you have a CD, DVD, Blu-ray or VCD with you. Nowadays, these things are about to go extinct, but nonetheless. If you want to open a network stream, press Ctrl N, and here enter the network URL and you are good to go. If you want to open a capture device, press Ctrl C, and you are now here in the capture device option. From here you can select the capture mode and select the video device name, from which camera you want to capture, select audio, select video size, and things like that. Now if you want to open a previous location if a previous URL or any location that you copied on a clipboard, press Ctrl V, and you can now enter the path. For example, let me show you. What I did just now was that I opened the Candid.Technology YouTube channel and copied its URL. Now I will press Ctrl V here, and as you can see, the copied URL is now automatically pasted in this screen. If you want to stream your media locally or on the internet, press Ctrl S, and now you can add the files. Now if you want to check the video information, press Ctrl I, and here you can see the video title, and if there are some artists, albums, genre, publisher, copyright, date, track, language, all the things that you need to know for the video that is currently running, you can get by pressing Ctrl plus I. Now if you want to get the codec information regarding the video, you can press Ctrl J, and here is the codec, audio and video codec information. Now press Ctrl B to create or modify the bookmarks in the video. For example, just press create, and you can see the bookmark is done. Let's head to the final heading, which is app settings or menus. So press F1 to launch help. Press Shift plus F1 to launch about. Here you will get authors, license, and credits for VLC. These shortcuts are just for gaining some extra knowledge. Now press Ctrl P to open preference menu. This is the preference menu. Press Ctrl Y to save the current playlist in MP4, or you can select the save as type and select these file types. So if you want to save your playlist, press Ctrl Y. Press Alt M and the media menu will open. Similarly, if you want to access the videos menu, press Alt V. And if you want to access the view menu, press Alt I. And if you want to access the help menu, press Alt H. All these subheadings are given at the top left of your VLC media player screen. This is the media menu, the playback menu, audio, video, subtitles, tools, views, help. So as we have told you, if you press Alt H, the help menu will open. Similarly, press Alt I for view menu, press Alt O for tools menu, press Alt V for videos menu, and press Alt L for playback menu. Here is Alt L for playback menu. Now select whatever options you want and you are good to go. Now, if we want to close this VLC media player, we all know at least one shortcut, which is Ctrl plus F4. However, a VLC media player has some other shortcuts to close it as well. The first is Ctrl plus Q, and the second is Alt plus Q, and the third we all know Ctrl plus F4. So you can press Ctrl plus Q, Alt plus Q, or Ctrl plus F4 to quit the VLC media player on your computer. For example, I'll use Alt and F4. I'll press Alt and F4. As you can see, the media player is now gone. So these are the shortcuts that you need to know to use VLC media player like a pro. If you like these videos, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.